Hi guys, welcome to my channel Little Beast Fit. My name is Desiree Cortez. I'm a certified trainer, and today in this video I have a special guest. I have Dr. Eric Campos. Welcome to my channel.
Thank you. Happy holidays.
And today we're going to be talking about chiropractic care for sports performance, and I want to tell you a little bit about my experience preparing myself for a fitness competition and how using the services that Dr. Campos offer here at Rio Pecos has helped me a lot. So let's get started. Like I said, I'm here with Dr. Campos. I'm so grateful that you let me just come here today and that we can talk about chiropractic care. So just tell us a little bit more about you.
Okay. I'm a Carlsbad native. I went to chiropractic school in Dallas, Texas at Parker Chiropractic. I have been in business 12 years. I've been in this new location at 309 West Hagerman since February of this year. I got into chiropractic care at a young age. I had a sports injury playing football, and that turned into some lower back pain, and it progressed from my senior year all the way into college. And I was seeking care from a chiropractor in Las Cruces. At the time, I was taking a College 101 course that kind of prepared you to see what you wanted to do as far as a career. And a career path that was chosen based on my personality was chiropractor.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's how I turned into a chiropractor.
That's awesome. And I can tell it's true because since I've been coming here, and everyone that I know that comes here, they always feel that he really cares. So that's something about him that why people keep coming back, and I'm sure that keeps you busy.
Yes, it definitely does keep us busy, and I tried to build an office where we actually care about our patients. We like to know how you do and what you do, your family members, and we enjoy that interaction to help you achieve your goals, whether they be fitness oriented or anything else.
That's awesome. So I want to tell you guys about my experience. So with me, as you can see me, the ones that already know me, I'm always training, especially if I have a fitness competition. I started training for one. I'm currently 13 weeks to go. And training for a fitness competition is very demanding because you have to train a lot, like cardio, weights, and it's exhausting because it can be 2-3 hours at the gym sometimes when you want to do everything perfect. So I never went to the chiropractor before meeting Eric, and I mean, I went once or twice, but that was it. So I noticed at one point I couldn't train anymore. Like I was just stuck. Like I couldn't do any more personal records, like PRs, doing weightlifting or nothing. And then I was in pain most of the time. I mean, I knew I was sore, but this one was more like than sore. It was just like I couldn't even move or walk properly or do my exercises like 100% like I wanted. So that's when I came here. And I would like for you to tell people like me out there that they are probably training super hard, like they think that they have to be like me, you know, training, but then also how regular chiropractic care can help them with their goals. Because for me, I'll tell you that like I feel great now. Like I feel like I can keep it up with my training and that I can achieve my goal now thanks to Eric.
So the thing that I noticed in our practice, we have a lot of young athletes. Baseball is something that is really big in our hometown. So we see a lot of young base athletes, dancers, baseball players. When you're young, you have that ability to just walk outside and just go play. As we get older, that recovery time is something that people don't take as serious in their training. They worry about the training itself, the nutritional aspects that they do, but they forget about one of the other most important pieces, which is rest and recovery. So our practice is based to help with that recovery here. We do a lot of different therapies here that help aid the body, to help aid the patient move forward and progress in any athletic competition that they perform.
And that's totally true. I feel, like I said, for me, training for a fitness competition as an athlete of this NPC, the National Physique Committee, training for these type of shows, it really helps me with my training. So yes, for all of you out there, if you're located here in Carlsbad, if you're practicing any sport like baseball or basketball or swimming or whatever it is, it's good that you take care of your body during that recovery time. So it's not only training hard, but then also making sure that your muscles heal properly. Do you have any recommendations for things athletes should do, like before and after their training, and how often they should come see you just to make sure that their performance improve? Because I see him right now every week, but that's because of my current situation. I'm not saying that you have to do that, but it's beneficial if you come often. So how often they should come, and how could you help them?
Okay, so that is a little bit of a tricky question, depending on the athlete. Depending on if the athlete is a beginner, an intermediate, or someone who is more competitive. Someone like yourself who is more competitive, you're always constantly training, you're always working with your body, making it sore, pushing for PRs. You need more consistent care. That's that portion. We have other athletes who just play general sports. Football season comes around, baseball season comes around. Those are a little bit different. We try to get most of our patients in that situation at least once a month. And the reason for that is because the cells in the spine reproduce. The half-life is every 30 days. So we want the body reproducing cells at the best that it possibly can, thus the once a month. Other athletes, based on injury, could also change their frequency of care. So it is a little bit tricky, but there's always something there, and that's something that we can deal with each individual case.
Okay, well, that sounds wonderful. Well, thank you so much for having me today.
No problem.
And,
thank you.
Well, I'm glad that you have helped me, and I want to thank you for that, because like I said, it feels good that when you have that mindset that you want to train, that you can actually do it. I would like to tell you guys that if you're here in Carlsbad, come visit Eric here at Rio Pecos Chiropractic. I'm gonna leave you a photo that you can see now about all the services that he offers. And for you athletes out there, even if you are like a recreational one, if you're just doing a sports because you like to, or if you're practicing in high school or in college, or if you're like me, that you're done with the school but you still feel like a competitive person and you wanna just try any sport that you like, it's important that you really take care of your body and make sure that everything is good so you can continue doing what you love. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.